How to send a PowerPoint presentation as a link. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open File Explorer and see where your file is, which is the PowerPoint presentation file. Now open Chrome and search drive.google.com and log into your account. In here, click on New at the top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find File Upload option. Click on File Upload. Now search where your file is. Then click on your file and press on Open at the bottom, which will add your file to your drive. After it's uploaded, simply click on the three dots beside it. Then it will open different options. Simply click on Share in here. After you've clicked on Share in here, again press on Share. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Restricted. It will open options. Click on anyone with the link. Then copy link at the bottom and then press on Done. After you do that, you can simply paste the link anywhere to share your link. And this is how to send a PowerPoint presentation as a link. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.